This is Mahesh. In this session, we are going to continue examples of pipes and system. Okay, let's get started. Two pipes A and B can fill the tank in 36 hours and 45 hours respectively. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, how much time will be taken to fill the tank? So, when there is a question in pipes and system, what you have to do at first? The thing is, either the question will be based on direct and indirect, or else the question is based on LCM method. Here, this is based on LCM method because two pipes are filling the tank in certain times. Times are 36 hours and 45 hours respectively. Okay. If first thing you have to do is find the LCM and then the filling of each one per hour. Pipe A and pipe B. There are two pipes, each one per hour. After that, together per hour. After that, the answer will be there. Okay. The first step is we have to find the LCM of the given numbers. What are the numbers given here? 36 and 45. So first thing you have to find the total capacity which can be found using LCM. So take the common thing. What is the common thing now? 9. If you take 9, so 4 times of 9, 5 times of 9. There is no common. So LCM is equal to 9 into 4, 36, 36 into 5, 180. It is nothing but 180 lines. So when it comes to pipes and system, nothing but the tank capacity is number of lines. It will be measured in number of lines. There are 180 lines are there in this tank. So pipe A, if you go for pipe A, it will fill the whole 180 line in 36 hours. So per hour, how many lines it can fill? So cancelling this, you will get. So cancel this. What you will get? So 18. 2 times of 18 is 36. So cancelling this, 5 times. Here 10 is there. So 5 times of 2 is 10. So 5 lines per hour. Pipe A can fill 5 lines per hour. So when it comes to pipe B, so which takes 180 line, 45 hours. It will fill 180 lines in 45 hours. So cancel this. So 45. So 9. You can cancel by 9. 5 times of 9 is 45. And then 2 times of 9 is 18, 20. So you can cancel it again. 4 times of 5 is 20. So 4 lines per hour. Now the question is to find together A and B. So what will happen together? If A and B together means both are filling pipes, which is positive. 5 plus 4, 9 lines per hour. They can fill 9 lines per hour. Taken to how much time will be taken to fill the tank? What is the capacity of the tank? We know that 180 lines. 9 lines per hour. In every hour, both together will fill 9 lines. How many hours required to fill the whole 180 lines? So, which is nothing but, so 180 lines will be filled in 9 lines per hour ratio, which will give you answer. So, cancelling this, 2 times of 9 is 18, 20, so 20 hours. So answer for this question is 20 hours. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, they will take 20 hours to fill the tank. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. A water tank is 2/5 full. Pipe A can empty it in 6 minutes and pipe B can fill it in 10 minutes. If both the pipes are open, how long will it take to empty or fill the tank? A water tank is there which is 2/5 full already. Pipe A can empty it in 6 minutes. If pipe A alone was there, then it can empty the whole tank in 6 minutes. Pipe B can fill it in 10 minutes. Pipe B can fill the tank in 10 minutes. If both the pipes are open, how long will it take to empty or fill the tank? Either it may empty or fill the tank. It's already filled by 2/5 of the part of the tank. Already filled. Okay. First thing what you have to do, you have to take the LCM. LCM of given numbers. So what are the numbers we have? 6 and 10. Find the LCM. Take common 2 which will give you 3 and 5. There is no common. LCM is equal 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30 lines. So the whole tank is 30 lines. Out of this, already filled. How much is already filled? 250 is already filled. So 250. What is 250? 250 of 30, which is nothing but cancelling this, you will get 5. How many times of 5 is there in 30? 6 times of 5. 2 into 6, 12 lines already filled. So already filled 12 lines. So remaining 18 lines to be filled to fill the tank, or else 12 lines to be removed to empty the tank. Okay. So here take pipe A. What it is doing? It removes the whole tank in 6 minutes. 30 lines in 6 minutes. It can remove 30 lines in 6 minutes. So which is removing 5 lines per minute. Next one is B. So pipe B can fill 30 lines in 10 minutes. So which means 3 lines in positive. If both the pipes are open together, A plus B, what will happen? A plus B is equal to minus 5 plus 3, which will remove 2 lines per minute. So obviously both pipes together open means it is removing 2 lines per minute. How many lines is already filled? 12 lines. So it is going to remove the tank water. So how many minutes it will take to remove 12 lines? So 12 divided by 2 lines per minute. 12 lines divided by minus 2 lines per minute. So which is nothing but 6 minutes. It will take 6 minutes to completely empty the tank, because which is already 250 filled, which is 12 lines. Okay, move on to the next question. A tank is filled by 3 pipes A, B, C. There are 3 pipes are there which is filling the tank. The pipe C is twice as fast as B and B is twice as fast as A. How much time will pipe A alone take to fill the tank if all together A, B and C can fill it in 5 hours? Okay, there are 3 pipes and they have given you the ratio of their 3 pipes. What is the first ratio we have? The pipe C is twice as fast as B. C is to B is given that 2 is to 1. Am I right? The second one, and B is twice as fast as A. B is to A is given that again 2 is to 1. So now you have to find the ratio of ABC. How will you find? What is the common thing here? B. You have to make it common. So how will you make 1 and 2 common? Make the LCM. 1 and 2 LCM is 2, or else 2 into 1, 2. So you have to multiply 2 here to get this as 2. Multiply 1 here to get this as 2. So you will get the ratio of C is to B is to A. What is C? You have to multiply 2 in both values. 2 into 2, 4. That is what you will get first C. And then 2 into 1, 2. That is B. Here 1 into 2, 2, which is already placed. B is placed, which is 2. 1 into 1, 1. This is the ratio of C is to B is to A, which is nothing but x, 4x, 2x, 1x. If all together A, B, C can fill it in 5 hours, all together how much they will fill? 4x plus 2x, 6x, 6x plus 1x, 7x. 7x takes 5 hours. Now the question is to find how much time will pipe A alone take. What is A's ratio here? 1x. You have 7x value, you have to find 1x value, that's all. Solving this you will get the answer. So you know that if the pipes are filling 7x, then it takes 5 hours. If you reduce the efficiency, what will happen? The time will increase. So inverse, so you will use 7x, which is 5 hours, known by unknown into known value. Known value is 7x, which takes 5 hours. 1x is what I have to find. which will take how many hours is the answer. So cancelling this, 7 into 5, 35 hours. So if A alone going to fill the tank means it will take 35 hours to fill the tank. If the question is about B, then you will place 2x here to find. If the question is about C, you will place 4x here to find the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. One pipe can fill a tank 3 times as fast as another pipe. If together the two pipes can fill the tank in 36 minutes, then the slower pipe alone will be able to fill the tank in. Same question, same kind of question. So here they haven't give you the ratio, so you have to find out that the ratio. Here they have given the ratio directly, then you can find the answer directly. So first of all, two pipes are there. I am taking it as A, B, and their ratio is so 3 times as fast as the slower pipe. So ratio is 3x 1x. So together, if together the two pipes can fill the tank in 36 minutes. What is together? Together value here. Together is 3x plus 1x. 4x means 36 minutes required. If it is filling at 4x speed, then 36 minutes required. Now the question is slower pipe. Which one is slower pipe? 3x or 1x? It's 1x, obviously, which is the one less efficient. So 1x is what we have to find. So solving this, you will get the answer. So what is known here? When you reduce efficiency, the time will increase. So multiply this 4x, which is 36. I know. I need to find 1x. What is 1x? So cancelling this, 4 into 36 is the answer. 4 into 36, 144. 144 minute. So 144 minute. That's all.